your typewriter today.
Hey guys!
Take it slow, but it's not typical.
So we have a typewriter with us. Do you not have a computer? Well, guess what? Computers are too expensive. $1,000 for a MacBook Pro. You know, these bad boys are better. This big thing is better than a computer.
Computers can mess up and they can get viruses, but this thing can't get viruses. You can type a really long story without having to save it because it's already going to be there, having to worry about computer problems because it's not going to like shut down on you or break on you. And you could like type this in like 2 minutes.
But sometimes, if you look very closely, this thingy right here that's red, they don't sell them that much because they're old. So you can go find it at a old place. Image of the first paint issue from a typewriter, July 23rd in 1829 to William Austin, a Michigan guy inventor. It was signed personally by President Andrew Jackson. And nowadays, these things cost way more. Like, they cost a lot of money because they're old.
Fascinating facts about the invention of the typewriter by Christopher Lantham.
If you don't like computers because they're just like not cool and you want something like old-fashioned, call in the next 10 seconds. You will get a free typewriter.
Call 1-800-TYPEWRITER and the code is
Shelby_Annalissa.
So I'm gonna do a flip because typewriters are awesome.